Hey there, this is Abby, the Information Literacy Librarian at the University of Lynchburg. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the library's article databases. Databases are the tools librarians and your professors point you to find scholarly and peer-reviewed articles that you can use as evidence in your research assignments. You'll need to start from the library website because these databases are subscription-based resources and you'll need to demonstrate you're a member of the University of Lynchburg community in order to access them. If you're accessing these from off campus, you'll be prompted to enter your Lynchburg credentials before you can open them. There are a number of different ways you can get to our list of databases, but my preference is to use the Research tab at the top of the page. So you can select the A to Z databases list from the drop-down menu. All right, at the moment we have 152 databases, and I know what you're thinking, which one do I choose? If you're working on a project for a gen ed course or your topic covers a few different subject areas, you'll probably have the most luck using a multidisciplinary database. Academic Search Complete is right here at the top of the list, and you can also see it over here as one of the most frequently used databases. In fact, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use it. But if, however, you're pretty deep into your coursework for your major, or your topic is specific to one subject area, I would recommend filtering this list to show you the best resources for that topic. Use the subjects filter up at the top and you can select your major or research area. So for example, if you're working on a project in environmental science, you can select that and then you'll see that we've pulled out what we consider the best bets for that subject area. If you're still having a hard time deciding which database would be right to use, this chat bubble is always here. You can speak with a librarian or library staff member and we'll help you get started. All right, next video, I'm going to show you how to actually use one of these databases to find scholarly articles.